Emperor Penguin. The emperor penguin is the largest penguin species in the world, standing up to 4 feet tall and weighing around 88 pounds. These massive birds have black and white plumage with distinctive yellow and orange markings on their head and chest. Emperor penguins live in Antarctica and are the only penguin species that breeds during the harsh Antarctic winter. They dive deeper than any other penguin, reaching depths of over 1,800 feet to hunt fish and squid. Emperor penguins are famous for their remarkable breeding behavior, where males incubate the egg on their feet for over 2 months without eating. These penguins can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes while hunting underwater. King penguin. The king penguin is the second largest penguin species, standing about 28 inches tall and weighing around 35 pounds. These birds have sleek black and white bodies with vibrant orange and yellow markings on their head, neck, and upper chest. King penguins live on subantarctic islands like South Georgia and the Falkland Islands. They have one of the longest breeding cycles of any bird, taking up to 16 months to raise a single chick. King penguins dive to depths of around 1,000 feet, searching for lanternfish, their primary food source. These penguins live in massive colonies that can number in the hundreds of thousands. They are highly social birds that spend most of their lives at sea, except during breeding season. Gentoo Penguin. The Gentoo Penguin is a medium-sized penguin, standing about 30 inches tall and weighing around 17 pounds. These birds have black and white plumage with a distinctive white stripe across the top of their head. Gentoo penguins live on Antarctic and subantarctic islands, with their largest populations found on the Antarctic Peninsula. They are the fastest swimming penguins, reaching speeds of up to 22 miles per hour in water. Gentoo penguins have a varied diet that includes krill, fish, and squid. They breed in large colonies and can raise 2 chicks per year, more than most other penguin species. Gentoo penguins are known for their aggressive behavior toward other penguins and can be quite territorial. Adelie Penguin. The Adelie Penguin is a small to medium-sized penguin, standing about 28 inches tall and weighing around 9 pounds. These birds have distinctive black and white plumage with a white eye ring that makes them look perpetually surprised. Adelie penguins live along the Antarctic coast and nearby islands. They are incredibly agile swimmers that hunt krill, fish, and squid in cold Antarctic waters. Adelie penguins breed in large colonies during the Antarctic summer and can raise 2 chicks per year. These penguins are known for being curious and bold, often approaching humans without fear. They migrate over 6,000 miles annually between their breeding grounds and feeding areas at sea. Chinstrap Penguin. The Chinstrap Penguin is a small penguin, standing about 28 inches tall and weighing around 7.5 pounds. These birds have black and white plumage with a distinctive thin black line running under their chin like a helmet strap, which gives them their name. Chinstrap penguins live on Antarctic and subantarctic islands throughout the Southern Ocean. They have a diet consisting primarily of krill, though they also eat fish and squid. Chinstrap penguins breed in massive colonies that can contain over 1 million birds. They are highly vocal birds that make loud braying calls to communicate with each other. These penguins migrate long distances each year, traveling thousands of miles between breeding and feeding areas. Macaroni Penguin. The Macaroni Penguin is a medium-sized penguin, standing about 28 inches tall and weighing around 13 pounds. These distinctive birds have black and white plumage with striking yellow and orange feathers on their head that stick upward like a colorful mohawk, which inspired their unusual name. Macaroni penguins live on subantarctic islands scattered throughout the Southern Ocean. They dive to depths of around 1,000 feet, hunting for krill and fish. Macaroni penguins have one of the largest populations of any penguin species, numbering in the millions. They breed in massive, densely packed colonies where thousands of birds nest close together. These penguins are highly social and spend most of their lives in groups, either on land or at sea. Rockhopper Penguin. The Rockhopper Penguin is one of the smallest penguin species, standing only about 20 inches tall and weighing around 5.5 pounds. These tiny birds have black and white plumage with distinctive spiky yellow and red feathers around their head and eyes. Rockhopper penguins live on rocky subantarctic and Antarctic islands where they navigate steep terrain. They get their name from their unique hopping behavior on land, using their tail and flippers to bounce across rocks. Rockhopper penguins have a diet focused on small fish, squid, and krill from the ocean. They breed in small to medium-sized colonies on rocky cliffs and can be quite aggressive toward other birds. These penguins are incredibly agile, both on land and in water, despite their tiny size. Yellow-eyed penguin. The yellow-eyed penguin, also called the hoiho, is one of the rarest penguin species in the world. These small penguins stand about 26 inches tall and weigh around 5 pounds. They have distinctive yellow eyes and a golden head crest that makes them instantly recognizable. Yellow-eyed penguins are found only in New Zealand, making them endemic to the islands. These penguins prefer to live alone or in very small groups rather than large colonies. They hunt fish and squid in the cool waters around New Zealand. Yellow-eyed penguins are critically endangered, with only around 4,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Habitat loss, predation, and disease have devastated their populations over the past centuries. Little penguin. The little penguin is the smallest penguin species in the world, standing only 16 inches tall and weighing just 3 pounds. These tiny birds have blue-grey plumage on their back and white plumage on their belly, earning them the alternate name blue penguin. Little penguins are found along the coasts of Australia, New Zealand, and surrounding islands. Despite their small size, they are excellent swimmers and divers that hunt small fish and krill. Little penguins have unique nesting behavior where they come ashore at night to roost in burrows and crevices. These penguins breed year-round, with some populations having 2 breeding cycles annually. They are the most commonly seen penguin species in the Southern Hemisphere due to their coastal distribution and nocturnal behavior near human settlements. African penguin. The African penguin is a medium-sized penguin, standing about 28 inches tall and weighing around 4.5 pounds. These birds have black and white plumage, with a distinctive black line running down their white chest like a formal tuxedo. African penguins are found along the coasts of South Africa and Namibia, making them the only penguin species found in Africa. They hunt small fish and squid in the nutrient-rich cold waters of the Atlantic Ocean. African penguins breed in colonies on rocky islands where they can find shelter and protection. These penguins are highly endangered due to oil spills, overfishing, and habitat degradation. Their population has declined dramatically from over 1 million birds a century ago to fewer than 50,000 today, making conservation efforts critical.